very first thing you want to do is open up your dialer. Then dial *312#. Hit on send on your Glo line. The next thing you need to do is to click on here, dial 1 and hit on send. Here you can choose option 1 if you want auto renewal. If you want one off, choose option 2. So I'm going to select option 2. Then take us right here. Next thing we want to do is to click on here and type 7. Hit on send. Then you have different options right here. For every 60 naira, you are getting 350 megabytes for 1 day, starting from 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. For every 120 naira, you are getting 75 megabytes for 1 day, between 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. for weekend plan. For every For every 200 naira, you are getting 875 megabytes for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. For 500 naira, you are getting 2.5 gig for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. It's that simple. For more tutorial about data hack on Glo line, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.